Night Plaza to be opened on weekends from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. at Kangla Gate from October 2nd. Minister Biswajit asserts government will select genuine beneficiaries for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. Internal Security Secretary Home Affairs Reena Mura and Joint Secretary Satyendra Garg inspect Indo-Myanmar border in Moreh. Pradhan and bank accused of swindling MGNREGS wages of labourers of Yaripok Ningtungnai and Yambim. And more than 1,500 runners take part in the 11th Mega Marathon. L. Ranjan and N. Chauba win men's and women's title respectively. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News with me, Priyo Bertha, and now the news in detail. Mahud Minister Thonojam Sham Kumar has announced the opening of Night Plaza on the eastern side of the National Highway No. 2 along the Kangla Moat from October 2nd. Speaking to media persons regarding the opening of the Night Plaza at Old Secretariat today, the minister said the plaza will be opened on Saturdays and Sundays from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and there will be no entry fee. He said this will provide the people who are busy during the weekdays an opportunity to relax with their families. The plaza will mainly cater indigenous food. Not everyone will be allowed to open stalls at the plaza. The persons who had already applied for the after the publication of the advertisement will be allowed to open food stalls. The minister said the plaza will be allowed to open throughout the week during the Manipur Sangai festival. Replying to Impact News query regarding the removal of earth from Usuipokpi Hillock in Lilong, Minister Shamkumar said a case is going on and if people are caught violating the ban on removal of earth from the hillock, vehicles and other equipment used will be seized.
Nisagumba, Fatabi Yugumba, and the Kisuma Fataba, we make a Nisadi to tell a belly, the Kanamtanas, Silsin of Java, Home Department, so the key is the government, we more departments can by Intersalai, we atop Engel cooking Motegi, Corporation PBU, Prazagi, Panaba Sinzavani, Prazagi, Panabas, Prazagi, Michael Ampotos, and Nasade, Night Plazazi, Antokanda, Atopa, Nakalamoramda. Itak Iranga, Sabi Waklom, the Madu, Putopigus, Namasi, Saisu, the Chin now, including Hasi. College Garuba, University Muba, and the Kyoto Mayamsu, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, and Haka, Potas, and Tanzan, Sinmani.
Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Thongam Biswajit has asserted that the government will select genuine beneficiaries for the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin PMAYG. The minister categorically stated that the first phase beneficiaries will receive the amount in their bank accounts within this month under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin PMAYG for construction of their houses. He said genuine beneficiaries will be identified to ensure transparent implementation of the scheme in the state. Reacting to news published in some local dailies today that no houses have been constructed even though the schemes began 3 months ago, the minister clarified that the government has been able to identify the genuine beneficiaries in a short span of 3 months. According to process, once the beneficiary list has been prepared, the records sent by the Gram Sabhas are verified to choose the deserving beneficiaries. For the year 2017-18, preparations are on to provide the first installments under the scheme for 15,538 beneficiaries by this month and the second installments by the first week of October. The minister said the new BJP-led government abides by the resolution of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to provide house and clean water for all by 2022. Although the scheme began in 2016 in other states of the country, it began in Manipur on June 29th after the new government came to power. Speaking to media persons at his official residence at Sanzenthong today, the minister also reiterated that the target announced by the Union Minister RD and PR Narendra Singh Tomar and Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren at the launch of the scheme remains the same.
First installment, second installment, third installment. First installment I could cover the little madam high madudi koina at the time of the sanction see the first release achigi paisa pigani aduga second installment at the time of the completion of the akoigi kano da akoi foundation level da that akoigi aduga amana akoigi at the time of the completion of the lentil level da torkana third installment pigani aduga 12000 amana akoigi basic anonymity haidana akoigi level letrin na singbasi yum amada saba chang padagi akoi asung swaj bharat mission dagi akoi pigani.
Internal Security Secretary of Ministry of Home Affairs Reena Mura and Joint Secretary Northeast in charge Satyendra Garg jointly inspected the Indo-Myanmar border in Moreh today. After landing at Moreh at 10 this morning by an Indian Air Force helicopter, they visited Indo-Myanmar Iron Bridge and Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 1 and 2. The team also saw the security procedures while checking the Myanmaris at the checkpost at gate number 1 and 2. They inquired the Assam Rifles personnel on checkpost duty at gate number 1 about the equipment used to detect drugs and prevent smuggling of drugs to Manipur. They went up to No Man's Land and Nampalong Market. President of Indo-Myanmar Chamber of Commerce H.S. Benjamin submitted a memorandum to the visiting officials regarding border trade. DC Technopol, officials of police and Assam Rifles also took part in the inspection. One-day first state-level annual conference of the Bharat Vikas Parishad Manipur State was held at Ibotonsana Girls Higher Secondary School today. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam said, "The willingness to help and support the downtrodden makes one a rich human." He said the world needs such people of great wisdom and honesty to bring positive change towards the society. The minister also released a souvenir of the Parishad at the event. In yet another incident of racism, an Assamese student was denied entry into the tomb of Itamad-ud-Dawla at Agra by an official after being labelled as a foreigner. The incident took place on Friday when the girl Manjita Chanu, who was accompanied by her friends, was stopped at the entrance of the National Monument by the guards. Chanu claimed that the security guards asked her to give an ID as proof of being an Indian citizen. The girl narrated the entire incident on her Facebook page. She wrote, "Is this the land of my India? Am I safe here or not?" The girl wrote there was also no lady security guard. The security man tried to check her bag, but she denied because she had some personal stuff. She asked, "Is this land of my India? Am I safe here or not?" Pradhan of Yaripok Gram Panchayat in Imphal East District has been alleged of withdrawing funds of job card holders of Yaripok Ningthunai and Yambem under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme MGNREGS in collusion with a nationalized bank by opening different bank accounts without their knowledge. A public meeting was held at Yambem Community Hall to protest it today. The job card holders claimed that bank passbooks were not issued to them. When they inquired about it, they were told that the bank accounts cannot be operated anymore. Taking part in the meeting, Abdullah Sheikh of Yaripok Ningthunai said they came to know about it when they approached gas agencies after the LPG gas subsidy was not deposited in the bank accounts 5 days ago. The gas agencies informed them that the amount was credited to their accounts. It was found that an account was opened in Abdullah's wife's name at the nationalized bank at Lamlong without their knowledge. Abdullah said he demanded passbooks from the bank and the bank demanded a new signature. It was found that not only LPG gas subsidies were withdrawn, but also funds from MGNREGS were also withdrawn. After learning about the incident, a few others also faced the same situation upon checking with the bank. People who attended the meeting urged the relevant authority to take action against the culprits.
Others in Moina, I coin a link to the gas subsidy, others say. Just Kudak to the Miss Oelaga, was a you go being the Kudak link to give never Moina. I do not link to others the Paisasi gas subsidy junction given never. Other thing as I have an energy wages sung a quality to my Kangar Panem. A Taisi Huziki Haiba, Jokarki account holder who are like hanging up Patani Sati or Angadra. I do not Jokar holder me, I'm doing from the Huzik. My Angi Kusumani, Kusuma Nama, Sumaina Toraga, I am the Panganda Bible say, Yamtina, Kogi GPC, Prajasingi, Hakmat Panihain, and Loje. Kurai
MLA El Susendro today led the people in a tree plantation program. Around 300 saplings were planted at Chinkhaiching in Kurai constituency. MLA Susindro said Chinkhaiching is a sacred place for the Meitei community. He said people climb the hill and offer prayers on Sajibu Nomapanba Cherauba. He said construction of a 7-kilometer long road leading to the hill has also started. He expressed concern and unhappiness over the burning of trees in the hill. Susindro said 3 saplings were planted to protect the flora and fauna in the hill.
Mamang thamajidagi mai tharappa matamda akhoi leiriba saji kaijing lang adagi sa makal taruk tare kumde akhoi almost swaida leibdu ui sa jingsi sondagi mai tharaga sonda chalak pasida akhoi gi mai chak tana akhoi siba ganu thosi amna akhoi gi hunter jingsina akhoi sumbaji problems yam leiba adu masi lambi si lakpadagi akhoi mai chalaga jo suna ngandi yora ro anu masi pura protection ama akhoi is wildlife sanctuary ma swaida thamba pame masagi daka leibda season agi maro kan u sing cha amat u draba si chingsi adana maro kan ho si akhoi no plantation taroga adu yam fajaba akhoi view point jing khara akhoi khara samkot ke na akhoi dmaina khal.
A child has been rescued by Kangpopi police in Kangpopi district. The child appears to be mentally unstable and was seen roaming on the road. Police sources said his name is Avinash, a son of Amit Sani from Bihar, currently living at Sora Bazar. Family members can contact the OC of Kangpopi police at 8414998081. A man was killed in a road accident near Palel in Kaching district today. The deceased is identified as Nungchim Angsha Moyon, 33 years, son of Ninghen from Haigrutampak. Sources said Nungchim met with the accident from around 4:30 in the evening at Kanaram village area on National Highway 102 under Kaching police station. Nungchim's Royal Enfield bullet bearing registration number MN01 AD1979 heading towards Kaching collided with a bus bearing registration number MN01 2099 which was heading towards Palel from Kaching. Nungchim died on the spot. Irawat Celebration Committee Thobal celebrated the 121st birth anniversary of Lamyan Bahija Mirabot as part of the month-long birth anniversary celebration of the freedom fighter at Thobal Mela ground today. Speaking at the event, CPI leader Dr. M. Nara urged the people to participate in the month-long celebration. He said Hija Mirabot was a multifaceted leader who led the people to the right path. Members of CPI Thobal Local Council and councillors of Thobal Municipal Council attended the event. Members of Shiv Sena Manipur State today cleaned areas in and around Imakaithel in Imphal. The cleanliness drive was carried out in support of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat mission and also in connection with the upcoming birth anniversary of Lamyan Bahija Mirabot. Members of Shiv Sena Manipur, Kanglei Economic Development Organization, KEDO and women vendors of Imakaithel took part in the cleanliness drive.
इकाई खुमनजरबा प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी की स्वास्थ्य भारत तांगनी भोबो सथगदब सिदा शिवसेना मनपुर स्टेट ना लूना नाना लेबा हक्सांग फबा पुनिंग सेंगबा फटब वखल अदुगुम्बा अफब वखलोन सिंग अदुद लौजरगा ngasi se akhoi nu humang kachabani lamyan bai irabot ki akhoi gi ningsing thabum sida irabot ki mafam da aduga akhoi gi ima kaithel gi ima ibin sing si moina phamjari ba se sida ima gi makhong makhu cham ka samana ba ima gi seba to ko samana ba suma thabam tang pangthoga Manipur da akhoi si saphung si haidra lejari ba akhoi core committee na warep targa ngasi gi akhoi gi si social services se changsin jabani.
Members of Thobal BJP Mandal today cleaned the office of the Chief Medical Officer as part of the cleanliness campaign Swachhta Hi Seva today. Vice President of BJP Thobal Mandal PH Amudon said the Swachhta Hi Seva campaign will be observed till October 2nd and they will continue to clean different places in Thobal. He also appealed for people's participation in the program. Members of BJP Thawal Mandal and BJP Mahila Morcha participated in the cleanliness drive. "167 families from Moirang have been provided LPG connection under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana today. Maibia Gas Distributor distributed the LPG connection to the beneficiaries at a function held at Moirang Pairimbam Lekai Mandop. Speaking at the event, Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra said, the scheme introduced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi shows that the government focuses on the welfare of women. LPG connection have been provided to 40 beneficiaries by Nambol Kurifaba LPG gas under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana in Bishnupur district. The LPG connections were handed over to beneficiaries at a function held at Nambol Theatre. Sales officer IOC Imphal TC Koren said the Modi government launched the Ujjwala scheme to save the environment for the future generation. He appealed to the people to take the benefit of the scheme and stop felling of trees. Heading into a small commercial break, but we'll be right back with more news updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. This is Impact News and you're watching Prime Time English News Bulletin with me, Priyo Bartha. And in further news, after a gap of 7 years, Kurai MLA L. Susindro today reopened the Ponglambi which passes through Jenims. Ponglambi Development Committee held a function at Kongpal Ponglambi Kongkham Lekai. Speaking at the event, L. Susindro maintained that today is a day of joy for the people of the constituency. Jenims comes under Kurai constituency. The MLA also expressed the hope that the people of the constituency will extend all support to Jenims to enable it to provide public service for a long time. Since the closing of Ponglambi by the previous government in 2010, people living on the eastern side of Jenims have been facing inconveniences while coming to Jenims for medical treatment. Susindro asserted that the people of Khetri Bengun, Khetri Awang Lekai, Top Awang and its surroundings will face no problem while coming to the hospital. Jenims Director Dr. T.H. Bhimo also attended the function.
High reverse is the Nishagi, Ate to University. Karba Hong Tokyo, Karba Hena Pasanga, and I want the Hibio. I being a money Katana Pasha Tazaki. The Yumla celebrating the Ishana Kana, Dukan Plot Makaga Day, Dukan Bibio, although Matak the Saraga, Matak the Yumla of the Hude, Makazi Dukan later wishing the away, Elon Mukanova. I want a name. Dukan Pamda with a Atopa Motor, the Masana, the Shabasagi Tabuto Lapata, whatever. Hamasina the Pamune, you Yoloeva, you win a lady, Patawoman Lapatavani, I don't know, Hojiki High River Development Committee, Ponglambi Development Committee share, Machine, or nice of Wonderka.
Lorembam Loken, husband of late Lorembam Ranjita of Koiro Mathaklekai, has demanded justice for his wife. Ranjita was raped and murdered in 2014 and the accused Laisham Ibomcha had been arrested and lodged at Central Jail. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Loken demanded that the authorities should deliver speedy justice to the family. He said the family finds it difficult to bear the court expenses. Loken, a daily wage earner, also said he is unable to send his children to the school. It may be mentioned that Ranjita was found dead at Kakmayai Manalo Coal 3 years ago.
Sumana sum pachating hanba awabada awaba pibase ngasi ke sarkar namtang awaba si yenga ai chamari je huji ahan dudi like taman bangamdre aina class 10 thagadab to than bangamdre ma boarding da lege hai ma boarding le paisa de kyam yamni adudi kasu yam paisa ju nate do paisa de leitiro jengon da karimta ngarang hanju case ta ene chale ukilama siriana mu yai thorei ma him tawbada ingon sum awabada awaba pibase ngasi pale sarkar jina amuktang ai awaba si yenga case se loisan biu aduga hana palamba sarkar na su loisan bangamdre hujik chahi ahum mari case ka bai je khodi asuk mati ware habidune koin haningis Manipur da laiba lup khudingmak ai gi awaba khudingmak ta su mateng pangdona dum lakpiri ai gi awaba si yenga amuk hena mateng pangbiduna ai gi case amtang loina ba loisan na ba muktang mayam na mateng pangbiu aduga mari lairenba authority ni kangpuna su ai case bo yamna thuna loisan bina ba mukta sinbiu ai yamna ware case thengna bata.
A team of Palel police seized more than 700 litres of local liquor during a drive against liquor in Kaching district today. The team arrested brewers from 9 different places during the drive. The seized liquor was later destroyed in front of Palel police station. The brewers were fined 7,000 rupees each and cases have been registered against them. President of Revolutionary People's Front RPF Irengbam Chauren has greeted the people on the 39th Raising Day of the PLA. In his message, Chauren said it will be in the best interest of the state to set rules and regulations for the outsiders living in Manipur to prevent them from permanently settling in the state. He said it is wrong of the people of the hills to show the Meitei in a bad light. He said the influx of the outsiders in the state, the outsiders contesting elections and being part of the legislation of the state will deprive the people of the hills and valleys of their rights. He maintained that it is high time people of the hills supported the people's movement for implementation of an act equivalent to ILP system. Chauren stated that RPF will work together with other organizations to prevent colonization in the state. Lilong Nagar Panchayat organized Swachhta Hi Seva at Lilong Chajing Bazaar today, cleaning the bazaar and its surroundings. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called upon the nation to begin Swachhta Hi Seva cleanliness service from September 15 to October 2nd. Speaking on the occasion, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham maintained that Lilong Nagar Panchayat has now been strengthened after BJP and LJP took over the council and has been carrying out developmental works.
BJP की साइट की चेयरपर्सन ओइरगा अदुगा LJP की दगिना वाइस ओइरगा हुजिक चंगछलिबा खोंजंग असिना मरम ओइदना आइगी साइट की फिजिकली मोरली अदि सपोर्ट तौबगा लुनना लमदमसिकी चौखट थौरांग तौबा कया अदि खुमांग चावना अदि चौक्सन मंगमगनी हाइबगी थाजबदु थमजरी इमुंग मनुंगी फत्ता हौदी मयामजे पुथोगा सोरोकता थमबगी हैनबीसे मुथलगा यामना अनौब सिस्टम अमा हौदोंनाबगी तंजादु ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ना बीबीरे हाइना लौजै थबकतुदा सपोर्ट तौबोइना अखोइ ngasiगी थबकसिंगसि सथजबनी हाइ.
The two-day 12th Manipur University Inter-College Literary Meet kicked off at the Centenary Hall of the university today. Manipur University Students' Union MUSU is organizing the meet on the theme Nationalism and Patriotism. Students of different colleges are participating in the meet. Speaking at the inauguration, MUSU President Buchi Mayalingam said the aim of the meet is to instill a sense of patriotism into the students. He said patriotic songs and poetry recitation will be the highlights of the meet.
Phamnaiba luchingba marakta khoi nationalism sung lebak ningba dagi maribak majati gi khanbasi khajitang wat praiba gi khoi kano je khoi chhatra singi mahiroi singi wakhalonda yam achoba kano wahang amoina leiri haibadi leiriba si khoi gi hutne na karaiba mayam si magi masa masa gi waijama ngak toina thabak tawwa aduga mayam gi miyam gi khanbadi khara watpagi mami sima yam chaun uri ana hojik leiriba khoi gi mirol sina leiriba mahiroi sing sina anobu wakhalon ama haibadi mayam gi phanabagi damakta chawkhatna
Results of the on-the-spot painting competition in connection with the World Tourism Day have been announced. M. Thoithoiba of Regular English High School bagged the first prize in the first category, while Laifrakpam Rohit bagged the first prize in the second category. The National Service Scheme NSS Day 2017 was celebrated today at the State NSSL Department of Youth Affairs and Sports at the auditorium of Kumalampak Sports Complex. Speaking on the occasion, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey said, the motto of NSS is not me but you, which signifies my service are for the welfare of the society. He said, youth services can be utilized for the welfare of the community, society and for the nation as a whole. He urged the NSS volunteers to offer their services to the communities. Lai Majagoi, Naga dance and Kuki dance highlighted the function. NSS program officers and volunteers were honored with Indira Gandhi NSS Award. To showcase the rich trade and tourism potential of India, particularly the northeastern region, and attract investment, trade and tourism and promote people-to-people contact, the Northeast Federation on International Trade will flag off India-Asian Friendship Car Rally 2017 on November 5th this year from Guwahati. The rally will cover Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam. The event is supported by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. An indigenous flavored tea named Dweller was launched at the Classic Grand Chingmerong today. The product will be available in different flavors like red tea, Haibung green tea, lemongrass ginger tea, fresh lemongrass tea, strong Assam tea, classic red tea and gentle green tea. Speaking on the sidelines of the launch, founder of the new tea brand, Eli Yambem, said Manipur can become a self-sufficient state if every individual put in efforts.
Public ta aina hiding is ko koi shishu akoi gi strengths yam lay koi gi local gi strengths over yam lay adu local strengths the focus tawraga akoi na kamaina akoi opportunity ma'am che create to yage akoi mi ma'am hujik even akoi na aina hujik thabak dainga the mi ma'am thabak tawge na ko la e adu da kamaina akoi gi strength to thabak tawning ma mi shu yamna hotnaning ma mi yam lay adna akoi gi local strengths akoi gi strengths yenga akoi proud oi chi adu adui damakta adu hotna si aduga akoi gi pot ma'am che
The second edition of Colors of Love, a fashion event based on the cultures and traditions of Manipur and Nagaland, was held yesterday. The event was organized by popular event management group Blue Wings at Hotel Imphal. The indigenous attires of the two states, designed by various designers, were showcased at the event. Colors of Love also aimed to promote the cultural relationships between Manipur and Nagaland. Models and designers from the two neighboring states took part in the event. And in some sports news, around 1,700 runners took part in the 11th mega marathon organized by the United People Front today. The front has been organizing this race since 2007. L. Ranjan was adjudged the winner in the men's category. He was presented a cash award of 40,000 rupees along with a memento and certificate. Somong Raman bagged the second position. He was presented a cash award of 30,000 rupees along with a memento and a certificate, while KH Romajit bagged the third position and he was presented a cash award of 20,000 rupees along with a memento and a certificate. In the women's category, N. Chauba bagged the first prize. She was awarded a cash prize of 40,000 rupees along with a memento and a certificate. N. Bibicha bagged the second position and was awarded a cash prize of 30,000 rupees along with a memento and a certificate, while Ajima bagged the third position and was presented 20,000 rupees, a memento and a certificate. Participants who bagged 4th to 15th positions were also presented with mementos and certificates along with a cash prize of 3,000 rupees each. Minister T. Shamkumar provided an assistance of 1 lakh rupees to the organizers.
Mega Marathon is not only for sports, for making a new buildings for nations. I think that it will be very helpful and to cooperate the peoples of Manipur. And today we are very unhappy because Honorable Minister Lepao Haukif will to flag off, but unluckily he was misses of today's flag off.
Klasa Kainau beat their rival in the 12th Manipur State League football tournament. The matches were postponed for a while due to inclement weather. In the 23rd league match played today at the artificial turf ground Kumalampak, Klasa Kainau beat FC Zalan Kangpokpi 2-1. The tournament is sponsored by Kumukcham Ingwocha Singh Memorial Trust and being held since the 6th of this month. Nisa Thamiban will face Movanlai Athletics Kangpokpi in the 24th league match, and AIM Kabam will play YPHU Lalambung in the 25th league match tomorrow. Takhil Changbam Dayashri and Bhegashri, who bagged gold at the 10th National Open Taekwondo Championship 2017, were felicitated at Manipur People's Club, Kashampa Thokchom Lekai today. Takhil Changbam Dayashri and Bhegashri are sisters from Kashampa Thokchom Lekai. Dayashri bagged 2 golds, one each in 38 kg category, Pumse and Kyorugi event, while Bhegashri bagged a gold in 20 kg category, Kyorugi event. Tarahi Kunjil Mohammedan Social Youth Club Hyangthang in a press release has congratulated Mohammad Shahjahan, the first Manipuri Muslim to be selected in the Indian team for the FIFA Under-17 World Cup 2017, and wished him luck. Uniforms was distributed to footballers who will participate in the 65th Junior National Ball Badminton Championship to be held at Sikaripura today. The uniform was sponsored by Sarumbam Jiten from Chingamathak Namarapam Lekai. The team will leave Imphal on September 29th. And before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Night Plaza to be opened on weekends from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. at Kangla Gate from October 2nd. Minister Biswajit asserts government will select genuine beneficiaries for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. Internal Security Secretary Home Affairs Reena Mura and Joint Secretary Satyendra Garg inspect Indo-Myanmar border in More. Pradhan and bank accused of swindling MGNREGS wages of labourers of Yaripo Ningthunai and Yambem. And more than 1,500 runners take part in the 11th Mega Marathon. L. Ranjan and N. Chauba win men's and women's title respectively.